Hi guys, so I want to make a series about things that I purchased from AliExpress, and I'm going to start with those dual colored, I don't know if you can see, dual colored bulbs for my halogen lights, actually for my fog lamps. And how they work is you switch once to turn on the white color, switch it back and switch it again on to turn the yellow color. And I'm going to be replacing them now and show you the process and see if they really do what the description says and if I'll be satisfied. So let's get started. As you can see, this is that's the standard color from a halogen lamp, and I think I'm going to have to polish that one. Yeah, I don't know why it's so bad. And this one is almost burned out, so let's get started replacing them. So replacing the bulbs on the fog lamps on the Lexus GS300 S190 is easy. You just have to remove the liner, the under cowl, I think, I'm not sure what it's called. There are two bolts here and here. You simply turn, twist and remove the bolt. Well, it's not so simple because it's dirty, but you get the idea. Hop. See, this is the so-called bolt. It doesn't focus. Okay, come on. Yeah, that's it. Now the other one. Now, if I remember correctly, you simply have to pull it out like so. Something like that, yeah. You can see where the bulb lies. Here you just twist it counterclockwise, and here's the bulb. Here's the tab. Push it and it pops off. That's the original one. And you go take a new bulb. That is with one hand, sorry about that. Pop it back in and test. And you don't press the horn. And it doesn't work. Let me just try something out. Well, the answer was simple. I've put it in reverse and it's LED. So let's test again. Once, bright white, turn it off, turn it again on, a yellow light. Let's put it back together and see how it works on the car. Well, they're clearly working. I mean, if it's not on video, you can see that it's shining very bright. But the thing I don't like is still how the housing is so scratched. This one, and also, come on, this one. So let's polish it. So start by cleaning the surface. It doesn't need to be too clean. And now it's shiny because of the water. Get yourself a power tool, preferably. Apply some paste, it's abrasive, scratch remover. Don't be shy, or do. And start polishing. I'll have to use my two hands. Be right back. Now, in order to not scratch, if possible, the bumper, you may have to use masking tape. But since this bumper is about to go and get repainted, I'm not too worried about it. So, let's continue. Here's the final result on this side. I think it looks much better than before, and I think I didn't even scratch the paint, although as I mentioned, we don't really care about that. But anyway, better not to win anything. So yeah, let's do the other side and see the final result. And here's the second fog light, and that about does it. So yeah, I would suggest, and that's highly suggestible, to use some protective film with UV protection for the lights once you polish them, because you remove the initial protective layer and they're going to get foggy again. And now for the final result. Well, that bulb has clearly seen better days. It's not very useful, is it? So, thanks for watching.